Alright guys, today we're going to make pickled beets and onions. I make just a little batch, just, that you can scale this up as much or as little as you want. So here I have half an onion, which I sliced up a little bit. And to that, I'm going to grate in a little bit of fresh ginger. I'm just going to use my rotary cheese grater for this. It worked just fine. Not too much pressure. And what we have here that comes out, the grater, if I can ever make it work, there we go, is just some very finely chopped up ginger. Nice and quick and easy. Push it off the outside. Alright, and to further season that, we're going to use some pickling spices here. First, I'm going to use some celery salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm going to add just a little bit of coriander. A little bit of cumin. And a few fennel seeds. A little bit of white pepper. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to wait for our beet to cook. I'm going to take my beets and I'm going to peel it. And that's right, we need one more pickling solution here. Da-da-da! Sugar. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar in there. And to that, a little bit of water. And this is going to be our liquid that we're going to pickle our beets in and our onions. So I'd recommend for every one good sized beet, you use about half an onion. And that'll make a nice little salad that you can serve on the side. You can serve it as a sandwich component. Beet and onion salad will be really good inside a falafel wrap with some hummus. A lot of different things you can do here. If you had fresh dill would be great. I might grab some mint from outside. Mint will go awesome in here. But what I'm trying to do here is give you a base from which you can build on. So let me get my beet cooked and I'll show you how we slice that up and all. Okay, so I debated whether I actually needed to show you guys a beet peeling recipe video, but here's how you peel a beet. It's like you peel anything else. And we're peeling it. And it's still hot, but that's okay because, we're stronger than the food. It's tender. It's going to be good. And yes, it's very hot. So there we go. We have a beet peeled. Now we're going to slice the beet. Take off the end. Alright, and just make slices. Whatever thickness you like. I like them kind of thin. That way that pickling liquid has a chance. Now, all we're going to do to finish our beet salad is to grab our rest of our pickled stuff here, our onions, and I did add some mint. I felt inspired. Throw them in there. It's good to throw them in there right when it's still hot. You can have the pickling liquid be hot or the beets hot, either or. As long as something's hot in this equation, it'll work just fine. Then you're going to make sure that everything's fully combined here. It's all living happy in pickling juice. And we're going to fridge this overnight. So I'll get back to you with how it tastes overnight. We'll finalize the seasonings and we'll see how our beet salad tastes. Alright, so after they've had a few hours to marinate, you see our pickled beets are all set. They're tender, the onions have taken up the color, and they are ready to be enjoyed. So that's how you make pickled beets, real quick and easy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy.